Okie dokie, folky folky. Today we are going to create a class and we're going to use the super method as well to inherit from that class. So without further ado, let's start off. I'm going to create a class called school. Okay, that's the class called school. Define, initialize, and let's have a look. Self. Let's have a look. Self. The name of somebody and their position. Okay, so name of somebody and their position. Okay, so self dot name is equal to name, and self dot position. Self.position is equal to position. Okay, right. What we need to do now, we need to create a little function so we can print out the information that we enter into this when we get to the bottom. So I'm just going to call it define print info. There we go, that's pretty explanatory. That's self. Okay, so right, we're going to go down to here, print, and it's going to be self dot name, and we're going to have self dot position. When I'm talking about position, I'm meaning job here. Okay, position in the organization or something like that, like job. Okay, I'm going to create the next class here, which is going to be a teacher class. Class teacher. And that's going to inherit from school. There we go. So we're going to initialize this. Okay, and we're going to go self name and again position. Okay, right, and now we're going to type in super dot initialize INIT, and now we're just going to print in name and position. Okay, name and position. Oops, shouldn't have done that. Okay, right, now we're going to enter into some information. So I want to print out the name of a teacher there, so I'm going to type in my teacher. You can call this anything, by the way, but I'm calling it my teacher because it's literally clearer, is equal to teacher. Okay, I'm going to put in a name of a teacher and his position. So Mr. Jones, and his position is headmaster. Whoops. Okay, forgot to put those on there. Hang on, let's get that there. Put one on there, and there we go. So we've got Mr. Jones, and he is headmaster. Okay, so we've entered in that information, and now what we're going to do is I want to print this out. So I'm going to say my teacher is, oh sorry, not equal, sorry, dot print info. So that should print the info about my teacher. Okay, so let's just save that, and let's just have a scan over there, make sure I've not made any typos or anything like that. I don't think I have, but we'll soon find out. Okay, I'm going to run the program. Whey! Super object has no attribute, init. Let's have a look at that. Okay, everybody, I've just written this again as I had a problem there. I couldn't really figure it out, so I just wrote it again, and let's try and run it again. Okay, let's run the module. Okay, there you go. Let me just shrink that down a little bit. It says Mr. Jones, headmaster. Exactly what we did there. So, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It will really help me out. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.